we were going to learn about comments and escape sequence characters in Python. So let's just start by using comments. So if you want to write like this thing, like this, so it will show invalid syntax in Python because you can't write directly, and if we don't want to show this in terminal, so we can do like this. It will show invalid syntax, so we have to use this character. We have to use this character to comment. Okay guys, and in VS Code the shortcut key is Ctrl plus /. Okay guys, it is a toggle shortcut key. Okay guys, remember that. So this is how comments work. And next that I'm gonna show you, first let me make a heading for this. Okay guys, like this. Okay, so like we can also do this like this, because like this we can do for by using Ctrl plus /, and like this. So we want to always make this as a comment. We can do this. Okay guys, so now let me show you escape sequence characters. As promised you, I will show you that today. Escape sequence characters. Okay, so now the first one is, let me first write a text and then gonna show you this one. So this escape sequence character is used for a new line. Okay guys, next one, this one is used for a backspace key. Just like backspace key, it just makes a backspace. Okay guys, and they're very much important. Like guys, if you want to write this like this thing, Python will show an error. See guys, because Python will be confused, it's starting from here, ending from here, so why this one is coming. So we always have to use this one, escape sequence character, double quote, or we can for use, like if you want to use a single quote, you can use this one. Okay guys, now another one. Oh, let me show you the output. You guys saw? See, like this. Now like I want to show you a path. Now I want to take a path like, okay, this one. Oh, my pen drive is not, actually I have to use my password. I think air is coming, so I'm gonna use okay, let's take this one or this one. Let's take this folder. So in Python, to write like this, we are always recommended to use this escape sequence character to write this backslash. Okay guys, okay guys, so this one is done. Now another escape sequence characters. So let's take this one as that black box AI. Let's use this, not this, not like this. Backslash escape sequence character. Now this one, single quote, using escape sequence character. another one, not this. I have to write. Achha, this one is the same one. I'm gonna use like this one. I want to change. Okay, guys, me make it to the up. Okay, so this one that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the reverse function. This one, what it does, this function makes the cursor at the beginning, like here this escape sequence character will make this thing at the first. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna show you. And this one is used for tab. You see, guys, this one is tab. And this one, you see, guys, this is like this. It's showing. It's making the cursor here. Okay. Let me write for this one. Double quotes. So black box is not giving, why I don't know, so I have to write manually. Okay, no problem. Yeah, it's not giving. Okay, no problem. Double quotes. Inside this one is not required. Copy this. Okay, so now this one I have not written. Carriage return. Yes, this is the carriage return. Okay, guys, moves the cursor to the beginning as I told you. Now it's giving, not back. Backspace. So guys, so this one is this one. Okay, I just confused. This one is the new line for this one, and this one is the backspace. You see, this one is gone now, and this carriage return that I'm gonna show you, this one is quoted. Yes, so it just went at the beginning, and it will not show like this thing because it's at the beginning cursor. Okay, guys, so it will not work like that. So thank you, guys. Bye.